cooked bacon. All right. Now we're gonna get our hands dirty.
I have
Hamburger.
hamburger and
Bacon.
bacon and some salt and pepper.
And Yolanda's these names
Yeah.
with me. Mix this all together. Mush.
Whoosh.
Okay, so we got it all mixed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make little 8-ounce patties. Rough. Put it into a ball. I'm gonna put this aside. So once we get the patty done, once we get the ball done, we're gonna take it and smush it down. Smush it into a round patty.
I can smush it really hard.
Right.
It's look. Oh my God.
Slapping those patties.
Slapping at me. Slap that patty. Let's get some more meat.
And making a ball.
I didn't know cooking was so much fun, Emma.
Yeah.
Slap that patty.
I did it.
Good job.
I slapped it so hard. It made me laugh. Like I thought it was so funny. Sizzling.
We'll let this cook for about 5 or so minutes on each side. Hold on, look. Get this in. You take this. Flip it up.
It's not even splashing at all.
So we'll let this sit for another 5, and then we'll put them in here, and put these on here, put this in the oven, and that will help finish it. So now that the burger's done, we're going to take some sauce, put it on each side, and then take a spoonful. A bit less. Oh, that's fine. And we'll spin it all around. So now we take the hot burger
And cheese.
and Havarti cheese.
And Havarti cheese.
Now from this point on, you can decorate it however you want. You can use whatever cheeses you want. We just like these cheeses. So we're gonna put a couple pieces of bacon on.
Because I like bacon. You know I like bacon, guys.
And then we're gonna top it off.
And then we're gonna top it off.
There's our burger.
You'll do the cutting. Wait, you don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself, though. Just
Grab your burger. Smush it.
smash it.
Do the hunch.
Oh, this is hot for me, so mine's still hot for me.
Is it delicious?
But mine's still hot for me for a second. So I go here. Make it just bug after.